In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Flutter package auto size text. This package helps us to fit the text into a specific number of lines and will adjust the font size. Here's the sample app we're going to build today. So this is a normal text widget. And as you can see here, this sentence isn't completely on here because the sentence we're looking at is this string will be automatically resized to fit on 2 lines. And this is here now the auto size text widget where it fits on 2 lines because it reduced the font size automatically. Then we can also specify a group for auto size text where we have multiple auto size text widgets. So if one text gets smaller, then the other texts in the group will also get smaller. Also, of course, you can use the auto size text with rich text. Let's get started. So the package we're going to use, as mentioned, is called auto size text. Just copy this to your clipboard. Then under your pubspec.yaml file, go under your dependencies and then paste it in here and then run pubget. That's all we need to do for that setup. Now for the layout itself, I simply created a simple Flutter app where we have a list view here. And then this list view, let's first talk about this one here. So it's a container because I wanted to have a border around it so that you can easily see how this auto size text works and looks like. Then the child of the container is a padding of 5 vertically and horizontally. And then we have a column here, a column of a simple text, then some padding, a size box, and then the auto size text. Then here again a size box, a normal text, and then both here are auto size texts. And this is also an auto size text. Now let's look at the differences between the normal text and the auto size text widget. Now as you can see here, the text has a font size of 20 and max lines are 2. So if I were to comment this, then you can see that we now have 3 lines. But if we wanted to fit it on 2 lines, again, these last 3 words would be cut out. And now let's look at how the auto size text works. So again, we have a font size of 20. This is ideally 20, but if it doesn't fit on the max lines of 2, then it will automatically reduce the size. And you simply use it as a normal text widget where you first have to define the string you want to use within your text widget, and then again the styles, max lines. Other variables you can also define are the preset font sizes. So let's say you want to start with the font size 40. Then if this doesn't fit on the screen, then it will reduce it to 20 here. Otherwise, it will reduce it down to 14. You can also write an overflow replacement where you simply say whenever the text is too long and it doesn't fit anymore, even though it has reached the minimum font size, then you can just say that the overflow replacement should be normal text with this string is too long or whatever you want it to be. That's it for the usual auto size text widget. Now if you want to use groups, what I did was simply create a variable called text group equals to auto size group, and then you use again the auto size text widget, and this time you define the group parameter with the variable we defined above, and then your other auto size text widget you use the same text group variable. So this string is pretty long and the max lines are 2 here, and because it's 2 it had to reduce the font size. So when it reduces this font size, it also reduces this font size. If we comment the max lines of 2, as you can see here now, this string has gotten bigger, the font size has gotten bigger, and automatically this other auto size text also adjusted to this normal font size of 20, since we've defined the font size here of 20. And then lastly, for using rich text with auto size text, all you have to do is write auto size text .rich, and then you can use it as normally as you want to with the usual text.rich widget. So you define your text span and then a text span with normal text, then for example here bold, so automatically is bold here, and then again normal text. Here again you can then define your max lines, min font size, and the normal font size, and so on. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments, and thank you for watching.